Imagine this. You're sipping your favorite drink, lounging in your cozy chair, and hearing the sweet cha-ching of $500 rolling into your account every single day. Sounds like a pipe dream, right? Wrong. This is your wake-up call. Your chance to rewrite the script of how you think about making money online. But hold up, let me guess. You're thinking, that's for tech geniuses or influencers with millions of followers, not me. Stop right there. I'm here to tell you that making $500 a day from videos is not just for the elite, it's for anyone. Yes, even if you're starting with nothing but a smartphone and 0 subscribers. Stick around and I'll prove it to you. Here's the kicker. Most beginners fail not because they lack creativity, but because they don't know the secrets of video monetization. Viral hits with no strategy? That's like hitting the jackpot and forgetting your wallet at home. Ouch. In this video, I'm not only diving into why beginners get stuck in the quicksand of equipment envy and niche confusion, but I'll also show you exactly how to sidestep those traps. By the end, you'll have a crystal clear roadmap to turn your passion into profit. And who knows, that $500 a day dream could be closer than you think. Welcome to Money AI Secrets, where we uncover the easiest tech-driven ways for everyday people to earn, save, and grow their money. Click the link in the description below to find more information about your money-making journey with AI tools. Step 1. Understand common challenges. Why am I not rich yet? You just dropped a video that's racking up views faster than you can say subscribe, but your wallet? Still on a diet. Here's the hard truth. Viral videos don't pay unless you have a plan. That's like throwing a party with no snacks. Everyone's excited to show up, but they'll leave hungry. To cash in, you need to monetize smart. Strategies like affiliate marketing, ad placement, or sponsorship deals? Yeah, we'll dive into those soon. But for now, just know this, views alone are not your ticket to financial freedom. Monetization strategies. Viral hits without a monetization blueprint are missed opportunities. Think of your videos as a business, not a hobby. Every click should count. Resource constraints. No pro camera? No problem. You don't need Spielberg's budget to crush it online. Today's viewers care more about authenticity than glossy perfection. Use what you've got and outsmart the resource trap. Smartphone? Check. Free editing software? Check. A little creativity? Priceless. Finding the right niche. Stuck choosing between cat whispering or underwater basket weaving? Here's the secret. Pick a specific niche with wide appeal. For example, instead of cooking, try 15-minute meals for gamers. It's relatable, catchy, and keeps people clicking. Building persistence. Most quit when their first 3 videos flop, but winners stick it out. Think of every failure as a stepping stone. Growth takes patience, but your hard work will snowball into success. So, ready to crush these roadblocks? Let's move to the next step. Step 2. Monetization strategies. What if I told you that every video you make could turn into a little money-making machine? Yes, your videos can literally work for you while you binge your favorite shows. Sounds magical, right? But here's the catch. If you don't know how to monetize strategically, you're leaving stacks of cash on the table. Let's unlock those secrets, step by step. Affiliate marketing, the beginner's goldmine. Imagine this. Every time someone clicks your link, you get paid. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. How it works. Partner with brands, promote their products, and earn a commission for every sale. Why it's perfect for beginners. No need to worry about creating your own products or dealing with grumpy customers. Power tip. Recommend products you genuinely love. It builds trust, and trust equals more clicks. Add revenue. Views that pay. This one's a no-brainer. Place ads on your videos and get paid for views and clicks. Key strategy. Optimize your ad placement. Too many ads and viewers run. Too few, and you're missing out. Target smart. Focus on niches with higher CPM, cost per meal. Think tech, finance, or health. Bonus. Longer videos often allow for more ad slots, boosting income potential. Leveraging social media, traffic explosion. Why stop at YouTube? Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram are perfect for sharing your content with the world. Reach wider audiences. Your followers equals free promotional squad. Drive traffic. Link your videos and watch as clicks turn into views and earnings. Make your videos work smarter, not harder. Ready to unlock your video's earning potential? Let's keep going. You're just getting warmed up. Step 3. content strategies. What if I told you that a single video could earn you money forever? Yes, forever. Not just today, not just this week, but years down the line. Sounds like wizardry, right? Nope. This is the power of smart content strategies, and today, I'll show you how to make your videos work overtime while you relax. Let's dive in. Evergreen content, your timeless treasure. Imagine planting a tree that bears fruit every day. That's what evergreen content does. What it is: videos that never go out of style, offering consistent value no matter the season or trend. Examples: tutorials, DIY projects, or how-to guides, things people always search for. Pro tip: optimize for SEO by using targeted keywords in your title, description, and tags. Sprinkle them like magic dust, but keep it natural. Benefits: with a bit of upfront effort, your evergreen content will rake in views and earnings for months, even years. Think passive income jackpot. Creating video series, engagement on overdrive. One-off videos are great, but a connected series? That's next-level genius. How it works: create a playlist of related videos. For example, a beginner's guide to cooking broken into bite-sized episodes. Benefits: viewers are more likely to binge watch, boosting your watch time and ad revenue. It also builds loyalty. They'll keep coming back for the next episode. Pro tip: end each video with a cliffhanger or teaser for the next one. Keep them hooked. Ready to create videos that never stop working for you? Let's move on. You're about to become a content wizard. Step 4. Actionable example. Imagine this. You wake up, check your earnings dashboard, and see money rolling in, all while you were sleeping. Dreamy, right? What if I told you this is not just possible, but entirely achievable with a simple, repeatable strategy? Stay tuned, because I'm about to show you exactly how to connect all the dots and turn your videos into income-generating machines. How to combine strategies, the ultimate playbook. 1. Create evergreen content. Let's say you make a video titled 10-Minute DIY Desk Organizer from Recycled Materials. Why it works? It's relevant, helpful, and timeless. People will always need desk organizers. Pro tip: use SEO-friendly keywords like DIY desk organizer or quick home office hacks. Sprinkle them in your title, description, and tags like secret sauce. 2. Monetize smart. Include affiliate links for the materials you used, e.g. glue gun, decorative paper. Mention, links to everything I used are in the description below. Enable ads on your video, and if possible, aim for mid-roll ads for longer videos to maximize revenue. 3. Share far, far and wide. Post your video on other social media platforms. Use hashtags like @DIY projects or home office hacks to attract eyeballs. Bonus: join niche groups or forums. Target your audience where they hang out. With just one well-optimized video, you're hitting ad revenue, affiliate commissions, and growing your audience all at once. Who's ready to get started? Let's make that $500 dream a reality. All right, let's pause for a moment. Take a deep breath and ask yourself, what if I actually did this? What if $500 a day wasn't just a dream but my reality? It's not some pie-in-the-sky fantasy, it's entirely doable. And here's the kicker. You already have everything you need to start. The journey to $500 a day doesn't require millions of followers, Hollywood-grade equipment, or 48 hours in a day. All it takes is effort, smart strategies, and a willingness to learn. Yes, the first steps might feel wobbly, but every click, every view, every small win is a step closer to your goal. Let's recap your playbook for success. Affiliate marketing. Promote products you love, drop those links, and earn commissions like a pro. Ad revenue. Leverage YouTube's built-in moneymaker. Place ads strategically and watch your views turn into dollars. Social media promotion. Share, share, and share some more. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest. Each platform is a golden ticket to more traffic. Evergreen and series-based content. Build videos that never go out of style and keep viewers coming back for more with binge-worthy playlists. Now, here's the best part. You don't have to do it all at once. Start small, test what works, and let your content grow with you. Remember, success doesn't come from perfection, it comes from persistence. Click the link in the description below to find more information about your money-making journey with AI tools. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's crush this together. The only thing standing between you and your $500 dream is your first step. If you have a favorite method for monetizing your videos, let me know in the comments below. Let's make it happen.